Welcome back to the Mini 90 build. If you missed part 1, we got the first sketches done and talked through some of the ideas for this ride on Land Rover, building for my son. In this part, we're moving from the CAD to assembling a 3D printed 1:10 scale prototype of this chassis and body to make sure everything actually fits together like it does in my head. The full-size version will obviously need to hold a kid or two, plus batteries, probably a few questionable driving decisions, although actually he is not a bad driver. It'll need to pull a trailer too, probably. The goal here is to get a feel for the shape, how the body lines up, the wheelbase, where the seats and steering might go. Basically make sure the proportions feel like a proper Defender 90, not a weird cartoon version. Once this is all glued together, I'll probably use it to plan where the steering column, pedals, seat need to go. The idea is to build the real one so it will fit my son from age 5 but still work when he's 10, 12. Hopefully without having too many things, if any, adjustable. It's actually starting to look like something. This should really help once I move to the full-size chassis and start figuring out the drive system. I can already see some things I want to change in this chassis design. This thing has to have a little replica eye for William's trailer. I can see that now. So you can tow that around the garden. I think it'd even be cool to have a mini canvas ragtop for the back. If I'm going to build it, might as well do it right. Here's where we're at, the first printed prototype of the Mini 90. It's far from perfect. Alright, that's it for part 2. Next time we'll start finalising the chassis design and maybe even look at a donor vehicle setup. If you've enjoyed this series so far, hit like, subscribe, drop a comment if you have any tips you've got for the build, especially if you've done a ride on build yourself and have some advice that you can share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in part 3.